Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money overseas with Bank of America in 2025. Whether you're sending money to family abroad or handling international business, this guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. With updates for 2025, including enhanced security features and faster processing times, Bank of America has made it easier than ever. Let's get started. First, ensure you have a Bank of America account set up for international transfers. If you don't, head to your bank's app or website and enable this feature. It's usually under International Services. You'll need to verify your identity, which might involve a quick phone call or email confirmation. Step 1. Log into your Bank of America online banking or mobile app. Make sure you're using the latest version for 2025's improvements, like biometric login for added security. Once in, navigate to the Transfers section and select International Wire Transfer. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Enter the recipient's details. You'll need their full name, address, bank account number, and SWIFT code. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Bank of America now has a real-time verification tool to help with this. Step 3. Choose the amount you want to send and select the currency. In 2025, you can see live exchange rates and potential fees up front, which is a game changer. Keep in mind, fees can vary based on the destination, so factor that into your budget. Step 4. Review your transfer summary. This includes the total cost, estimated delivery time, often within 1 to 2 business days, and any additional options like scheduling for a future date. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer with your secure PIN or fingerprint. Finally, after confirmation, you'll get an email receipt. Track your transfer via the app if needed. A quick tip: always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your funds. There you have it. Transferring money overseas with Bank of America in 2025 is straightforward and secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.